Here are some of my seeds that I've sown in trays indoors. There's some Tanacetum, Erigeron and Berkheya, all kind of sort of daisy-like flowers of some kind of description. You probably can't quite see the things there. The seeds have come up. Here's some of my chilli seeds that have done fairly well. There's some yellow cayenne type things. There's a different one that I've called a red cayenne. Here's another one. This is actually Trinidad perfume, which has come up quite well. There's some more yellow cayenne in there. Now these need thinning out soon because they're quite crowded. This is something completely different, Geranium Madalensi. And here's a few overwintered chilli plants. Now some of these have been a bit less successful. One success at the back there is the Jacaranda mimosifolia, which I've grown from seed. But there's some other chilli plants that some of them germinated and then sort of damped off. Others never really got going. There's a couple more things which which kind of were warned could take quite a long time to germinate. Is Liquidambar formosana, which is a nice tree with autumn coloured foliage. And a couple of sort of houseplant things, Chlorophytum, amaniense and Schefflera arboricola, but neither of those have really shown as of yet. They've been probably about 6 weeks ago that I potted those up. But these pepper ones, I think there's no real sign of life from those remaining ones, so I'll probably take those out and free up the space for some other things.